Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick little video on how to quickly load a big old mag. I've got 300 round mags. I gotta unload this real quick to show you guys, but this without a speed loader or anything. So yeah, let me just quickly set this down. There we go. So really all you need is to put your BBs in like a shoebox or something, and then just pour them in here and open up the little slot in your mag, grab a handful, pour them in. Sorry about that, light turned off. Okay, there you go. I just loaded 300 round mag in like no time at all. So there you go, guys. No need for a speed loader really, unless you want to load it on the field or something, but yeah. Good luck, guys.